see.
Cat hasn't even seen.
Oh, there's gone. Hello.
Ah, what an escape!
What are you backing up for? Just when you want to do a video, it wants to install an update. It's like a Mexican standoff.
You reckon they're gonna stay here all night like this?
Yeah. And they battle every night. Seriously. I don't think the frog will say.
A frog against the cat.
I'll put that frog from inside.
Yeah.
I'll put him. The cat will chase him inside, and I'll have to pick him up and put him back out here. It'll be 5 nights in a row.
Look, look.
What's wrong, kitty cat? See your friend. You want to play?
But he doesn't kill him.
Ah, he just chases him.
Yeah, look. He's running away. Frog is smart too, huh?
I don't know if I'll be doing that one. I'll be running away. Kitty cat, it's not your friend. See? He doesn't want to play with you. Then again, maybe he does. I think the frog wants to get closer to the light.
Oh, he jumped down.
Oh.